My shortcut Thanksgiving experience starts right here with the turkey. I'm 24 hours from the big feast, and I have lots of time-saving tricks up my sleeve. I've got the turkey already cut up into pieces. I had the butcher do that, and that is going to make it so easy for tomorrow. I've been arranging some fresh herbs on a sheet pan. I've got rosemary and thyme, and now I'll put the turkey pieces right on top of the herbs. Cooking the turkey in pieces the day before accomplishes two things. First of all, it cooks a lot faster than if you have to cook the whole turkey itself. Second, you can cook it ahead of time, carve it up, and save all that time that you don't have to spend carving on Thanksgiving Day. I'm just gonna heat it up with some broth. I tell you what, this is probably gonna be the easiest Thanksgiving turkey I have ever made. All right, I got the meat all on there. I'm gonna sprinkle everything very generously with salt and pepper. I want this turkey to have a lot of flavor and seasoning. I'm just dotting the surface of the turkey with butter. I think butter is the best seasoning you can put on the outside of the turkey. It just makes everything so golden and wonderful. All right, now believe it or not, I'm gonna drizzle on just a little olive oil for good measure. Just make sure all the skin is covered. Now I'm gonna get the turkey in the oven. It's gonna roast in a 350-degree oven for about an hour and a half or until the meat is 165 degrees. It looks absolutely perfect. Look at that golden skin. Now I'm just gonna cover up the turkey. I'm gonna let it rest, and then I'll come back after about 45 minutes and carve it up. Okay, time to carve. First, the breasts. I'll cut them into nice, juicy slices. That's one, then the second. Next come the thighs. I'll pull out the bone to make it a little easier, then carve it into slices. That's one and two. Then it all goes onto a clean sheet pan, the legs too, and it's all ready for the big day. I'm gonna cover it with foil, and tomorrow I'll just sprinkle it with broth and reheat it in the oven. So I'll get the turkey in the fridge. This is the Thanksgiving turkey I made yesterday. It still looks wonderful. I'm just gonna sprinkle it with some chicken broth just to make sure it doesn't dry out in the oven when I reheat it. You can be pretty generous here, just kind of making sure all the surface is moist. And then I want there to be enough in the bottom of the pan to kind of steam inside the foil. Okay, I'll get the foil back on into a 350-degree oven. It's just gonna take him about an hour to totally heat up.